Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to disable the full screen previews for iPhone screenshots in iOS 26. iOS 26 allows you to display the full screen previews for iPhone screenshots. Hence, you can edit and manage your screen grabs with better control. However, if you don't appreciate this feature, you can disable it and get back the same old tiny preview that had been the default option till iOS 18. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to choose the general option. And then you have to choose the screen capture option. And finally you have to disable the toggle next to full screen previews. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily disable the full screen previews for screenshots in iOS 26. So whether you prefer the less intrusive thumbnail style pop-up or just want to reclaim a familiar user experience, Apple has thankfully provided a pretty straightforward toggle to make the change, and that's all about it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.